How to use Pizza Hut promo code. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you actually redeem your Pizza Hut promo code. So let's dive right into the video tutorial. In order to begin, open any web browser of your choice, and in the search bar, type couponfollow.com and hit enter in your keyboard. As soon as you navigate to the official website of the couponfollow.com, use the search bar to look for the Pizza Hut, type in Pizza Hut and hit enter. Select the relevant option and you will be presented with the various coupon codes and promo offers for the Pizza Hut. Take your time to scroll through and choose the deal that suits you best. You can click on the show coupon code in order to reveal the coupon code. You can also check out the offer details section for the more information, including the expiration date. And now you can simply copy the code from here by clicking on the copy button and proceed to click on redeem to be directed into the Pizza Hut website. Remember that you can use the promo code on both the website and the Pizza Hut app. Once on the Pizza Hut site, the first step is to log into your account, and if you don't have one, you will need to create a new account. After logging in, browse the menu and select the items you wish to order, add them to your cart, and proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, locate the promo code field or add coupon code over here. Click on the apply to see the discount reflected in your total order, and that's all there is to it. This is how you can actually redeem the Pizza Hut promo code. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for informative tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.